Listen, sir, everyone. Now here, if you want to become a front-end developer, what are the technologies we have to learn? So to become a front-end developer, what are the technologies we have to learn? Tell me now here. So here we have to learn
Moment
the
CSS,
technologies
JavaScript.
like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, now here we have completed about HTML. Okay, here we have completed about HTML and we have completed about CSS. Okay, what we have learned in the HTML here? So to create a web pages, how to create the web pages. Okay, by using HTML we can create the web pages. Next, after that here we can add content to the web pages. Whatever the content you want to add, that content may be list, images, videos, hyperlinks, next forms or input tags, or we can say like a drop downs, or we can say elements. So paragraph tags, whatever the content you want to add to the web page, that all the content we can add with the help of what here, HTML, right? So HTML is used to create web pages and add content to the web pages. So like that here we have learned about that HTML. Next, CSS also we have completed. What we have learned in the CSS? Designs purpose. In that HTML, by using HTML we have added different types of elements, right? All that elements we can provide designs, or we can say we can provide styles to the web page, right? So CSS is used for what? You tell me here. Add designs. Okay, now add designs to the web pages. Okay, web pages, right? So HTML is used to create your web pages and add content to the web pages. What about CSS here? Used to add designs to the web pages. That is the stuff we have completed. Now what is the purpose of JavaScript, sir? Okay, now try to understand here. For example, I'll go through the paint here. I'll go through that paint, try to understand. By using HTML, I have created this web page. Okay, I have created a web page. By using HTML only, we have added that content. Right, we have added that content. Next, after that here, but okay, we have added the content. Now it's looking nice. No, it's not looking nice. Say yes or no, boss. Right. Okay, now here if you want to like add some designs, then what we have to use now? Go through that CSS. Okay, so here by using CSS we can add designs to the web pages, right? By using CSS, what we can do now? We can add designs to the web pages. Are you able to understand, boss, everyone, what I am saying now? Yeah, okay, sir, yes, done. By using CSS we have added designs. Now the web page is looking like a beautiful, right? Okay, done, no problem. We have created that beautiful web page. Now tell me here, we can provide any like any functionality is available here. Respond, any functionality is there? No, right? So if you
No,
want
no,
to
sir.
provide, if you want to provide the functionality, okay, if you want to provide the functionality, okay, now the web page is looking nice, but here any functionality is there? Not there. So if you want to provide the functionality, then here we have to use JavaScript. We have to use what here? JavaScript. What is the functional purpose of JavaScript here? JavaScript is used to add functionality to the web page. Okay, add functionality to the web page, right? And now we have completed about HTML and CSS, right? Now here we'll go to that what here? JavaScript, right? Now in the JavaScript, now try to understand what I am saying now. For example, okay, now I have seen about HTML. HTML is invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Next, CSS was invented by Hakon VM Lee. Then what about JavaScript here? The JavaScript was introduced by Brendan Eich, sir. Okay, now JavaScript was introduced by Brendan Eich in the year of 1995. What is the year? 1995. Okay, now try to understand. In the company called Netscape Communications. What is the company here? Netscape Communication. So JavaScript was introduced by Brendan Eich. Okay, JavaScript was introduced by Brendan Eich in Netscape Communication. Okay, in Netscape Communication in the year of 1995, right? You guys are able to understand what I am saying now here? Okay, the JavaScript was introduced by Brendan Eich in the year of what? 1995, and the company called Netscape Communication, right? Next, after that here, sir, the JavaScript was introduced by 1995, right? whenever they introduced the JavaScript, initially they named as JavaScript, they named as like a mocha, sir. What is the initial name of JavaScript here? Mocha, M-O-C-H-A, mocha. Okay, now try to understand here. The initial name of JavaScript, the initial name of JavaScript is what here? Mocha. Okay, the initial name of JavaScript was what here? Mocha. Okay, so here they named as Mocha in the year of 1995 May, sir. Okay, 1995 May. So the JavaScript is introduced by Brendan Eich and the name named as Mocha in the year of 1995 May. But here, what is this Mocha? What is this Mocha? So the name was not good. So that they renamed as they renamed, sir. Okay, now they renamed as Mocha to live script. Okay, they renamed as what, sir? Here Mocha to live script. So the initial name of JavaScript was Mocha, and in the year of May they named as Mocha. And same year in the 1995, okay, same year in the 1995 September they renamed as what, sir? Here live script. Okay, they renamed as live script. Next, after that year, same year only, in the year of again, okay, again they again renamed as JavaScript. Again they renamed as what, sir? Here JavaScript, in the year of 1995 December. Okay, 1995 December, sir. The live script name is good, right? Name nice name, right? So why they moved live script, I mean live script to JavaScript is nothing but in the year of 1995 only one beautiful powerful programming language. Okay, the market is the name is very good programming language, that is nothing but Java programming language. Okay, the Java programming language also introduced in final version of Java programming language, okay, introduced in 1995. So because of marketing purpose they renamed as live script to JavaScript. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir. Here, okay, live script is good name, but here not that much of marketing name. So for that here in that time 1995, the one programming language is in that market, like a very good programming language, and everyone is saying Java, 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 Java. So that's why here they renamed as live script to JavaScript. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now here. Okay, boss, no problem. JavaScript came now. It's okay, no problem. But here, after in the year of 1997, sir, what is the year? Tell me now. In the year of 97, in the year of 1997, one company is there. In European, one company is there. That is company name is ECMA. What is the company name here? ECMA, sir. What is meant by ECMA, sir? Here. What is meant by ECMA is nothing but European computer manufacturer, okay, manufacturer association, European Computer Manufacturer Association. ECMA stands for what here? European Computer Manufacturer Association. So in the year of 1997, company called ECMA company took the rights of JavaScript. Okay, took the rights of JavaScript, right? So in the year of 1997, one company is there, in a European company. That company took the rights of JavaScript. Okay, took the rights of what, sir? Here rights of JavaScript, and renamed as ECMAScript. Renamed as what, sir? Here ECMAScript. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir. Here, what is the final name of JavaScript here? ECMAScript. Okay, now the final name of JavaScript is a ECMAScript. ECMA stands for European Computer Manufacturer Association. At that time only, not only JavaScript, lot of programming languages is there. TypeScript and Coffee, some programming languages is there. That all the programming languages under the ECMAScript only. Okay, so ECMAScript took the rights of JavaScript and they renamed as what, sir? Here ECMAScript. ECMA stands for European Computer Manufacturer Association. And the beautiful thing is there, boss. So try to understand. Python is there. Python is a which type of programming language? Front end or back end? Back end programming language. Java is there. Java is a front end or back end? backend programming language there. Okay, so here that Java is also using as a backend, Python is also using as a backend. Next coming the .NET is also using as a backend. Or C and C++ also is a backend programming technologies. But the powerful, beautiful programming language is nothing but JavaScript. JavaScript using as a front end as well as backend also. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, here. So JavaScript is a like a developers is using JavaScript is a front end and back end also. Okay, JavaScript is a front end language as well as back end language. Or simply say JavaScript is a client side as well as server side. Okay, now JavaScript is a client side as well as server side. Now you guys are able to understand, sir. And otherwise, as compared to any other programming languages, if you take Java also or Python also, whatever the programming languages you can take, as compared to JavaScript, JavaScript is a beautiful. Why? Because each and every year we are getting the updates about JavaScript. I'll show you that also. Okay. In the year of 1997, ECMAScript is taken the roots of JavaScript, right? So in that time, okay, I'll write here, try to understand here, versions of JavaScript, versions of JavaScript. Now we know what is the latest version of HTML was here? HTML5. What is the latest version of CSS? CSS3. What about JavaScript? ECMAScript 6th version. What is the latest version of JavaScript? ECMAScript 6th version. Okay, in the first version, in the year of 1997, okay, in the year of 1997, ECMAScript releases the first version, sir. That is nothing but ECMAScript 1. This is the first version of JavaScript, right? Next, after that here in the year of 1998, they releases the second version of JavaScript. That is nothing but what's are here? ECMAScript 2. This is the second version of JavaScript. Next, after that here in the year of 1999, okay, again here they release the next version. That is nothing but what's are here? ECMAScript 3. Okay, ECMAScript 3. Okay, sir, done. Then tell me next version when they released is nothing but there is no ECMAScript 4, sir. Okay, there is no ECMAScript 4. Okay, still there is no ECMAScript 4. Directly they introduced the next version. That is in the year of 2009. Okay, in the year of 2009, they introduced the next version. That is nothing but what's are here? ECMAScript 5. There is no ECMAScript 4th version, right? So next after that here ECMAScript 6. Now we are using, right? That version they are released in the year of 2015. Okay, 2015 they introduced the version, latest version, that is nothing but what's are here? ECMAScript 6th version. Then immediately you may ask one question. Okay, sir, you said JavaScript is beautiful, powerful, that much of language, but 2015 is nothing but now 11 years. 11 years back they updated, right? Still no, there is no versions. I mean, still no, there is no any updates in the JavaScript. No, boss. Each and every year we have updates in JavaScript. Okay, the major version, the major updates was ECMAScript 6th. After also each and every year they introducing a new things. Okay, that is also available. I'll show you. So try to understand. That is nothing but here. Try to understand, sir. Here ECMAScript versions. Okay, ECMAScript versions. Now here I'll show you in the Wikipedia here. ECMAScript version history is there, right? Done. Now try to understand, boss, here. ECMAScript, okay, now. Next here, when the latest version of ECMAScript is released here, ECMAScript 2015, 16th and current version is released in June 2025. It's okay, no problem. Now try to understand. First, 1997, first edition JavaScript is implemented by Netscape Communication. Next after that here 1998. Okay, next after that here 1999. Okay, now here you can check here. ECMAScript 4th is abandoned. Okay, abandoned. So they are not introduced that. Okay, so now try to understand. The 4th edition was abandoned due to the political differences concerning the language complexity. Okay, next ECMAScript 5th version when they introduced now 2009. ECMAScript 5th version. Okay, next after that here when they introduced the major version 2015 ECMAScript 6th version. Okay, now 2015 ECMAScript 6th version they introduced. After 2015 also each and every year we are getting the updates. Now try to understand here June 2015. Okay, June 2015, like a June 2015 4th, ECMAScript 2015. Okay, next June 2016 also. Next June 2017, 6th edition, 7th edition, 8th edition, 9th edition. Is nothing but 6th only. ECMAScript 6 is the major version. In that versions also we are getting small updates. 2018, 2019, 2020. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is also we are getting or not, sir, here. Say yes or no, boss. Okay, 2025 June also we are getting one update. That is nothing but 16th edition ECMAScript 2025. Now also 2026 also June is completed, but still we didn't get any update. But what is the latest version of JavaScript 2025? June we are getting one update. Okay, now. So now here still pending, still not came the 2026 pending futures. See the futures being considered. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, what is the latest version of JavaScript? Response, sir. Okay, so here JavaScript is a front end, I mean client side and server side language. Okay, the JavaScript are introduced by Brendan Eich in the Netscape communication in the year of 1995. The initial name of JavaScript was what here? Mocha. And they renamed as LiveScript. And again they renamed as JavaScript. Next, in the year of 1997, ECMA company took the rights of JavaScript and renamed as ECMAScript. Okay, so what is the latest version of JavaScript here? Tell me, sir, here. ECMAScript 6th version. I will write that also here. Try to understand now here. The latest version of JavaScript is what, sir, here? Tell me now. ECMAScript 6th version, right? And next after that here JavaScript is a like a client side. JavaScript is both client side and server side. Okay, JavaScript is both client side and server side language. Okay, right? Now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now? Respond, my everyone. Done. How many keywords in available in JavaScript here? JavaScript is having 3 keywords is available. If you went to any interview, very important question. Okay, in JavaScript, very important question. That is nothing but let var const. In JavaScript I said keywords, right? So keywords. How many keywords is available in JavaScript, sir, here? Only 3 keywords is there. What are the 3 keywords? Is nothing but the first one is here we have like a var keyword. Next after that here we have let keyword. Next the third one is what, sir, here? Const keyword. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now. So how many keywords is available in JavaScript? 3 keywords is there. In the interview point of view, very important question. Okay, right? So try to understand. First we'll go through that let keyword. Okay, first var, right? First we are going to discuss about var keyword. What is var? Okay, why we are going to use var? Okay, what is the purpose of var? What is the beauty of var? Everything we'll discuss, right? So now try to understand, sir, everyone. First, var stands for variable. Okay, var stands for what, sir, here? Var stands for variable. Sir, whenever they introduced the JavaScript in the year of 1997, okay, in the year of 1997, the first version is the right ES1, ECMAScript first version. In that first version only they released the var keyword. Okay, when they released the var keyword in a ECMAScript first version, right? So var keyword is introduced in ECMAScript first version, sir. Okay, now when the var stands for what here? Variable. When they introduced in that var keyword here in the ECMAScript first version. Okay, right? You guys are able to understand. Now try to understand here. For example, okay, so here I want to create one variable. In Java or Python, Java especially we have to mention the data type. Python not required any data type. Java we have to mention data types. So in the JavaScript not required any data type. Okay, so here I am taking var keyword. Here we have to store in one variable, right? So here I am taking one variable var a. This is nothing but variable declaration, sir. This is nothing but what, sir, here? Variable declaration. We know what is meant by variable declaration, right? So what is meant by variable initialization? Here we have declared the variable. In that variable we have to assign the value. I mean providing the value. The providing the value is nothing but what? Initialization. So I want to initialize the variable. So how we can initialize the variable now? A is equal to 10. Okay, A is equal to 10. Sir, in that A, can I want to declare only 10. Otherwise, can I use any other thing? Whatever you want, you can use. In the JavaScript here, we can use, for example, here, JavaScript or JS also we can use, string type also we can use, or otherwise directly here we can write true or false, whatever you want, you can declare the JavaScript. Okay, you guys are able to understand what I am saying now here. In JavaScript, no need to specify the data type. Okay, this is nothing but what, sir, here? Providing the value is nothing but what? Variable initialization. Okay, now variable initialization. Next step, that is nothing but I am printing here. That also will see. As of now, try to understand. In JavaScript, we have lot of printing statements is there. Okay, lot of printing statements is there. We'll see all the printing statements. As of now, I'm telling one printing statement, that is nothing but console.log. Okay, console.log one printing statement is there. As of now, I'm using. From next class, I'll give you one clear clarity. How many statements is there? What are the differences is there? Okay, now here I'm printing the statement console.log of A. Okay, so now this is nothing but what's are here? Variable utilization. Variable what? Utilization. Okay, now variable declaration is possible, variable initialization is possible, variable utilization is also possible. Next concept, already I have assigned the value is what here? 10. I'm trying to reassign the value. 10 is there, but I don't like 10. I want to change the value, reassign the value. Already I have assigned, right? Now I am trying to do the reassigning. What is the variable name here? A. I don't like 10. I want Sheila. Yes, we can go through that, no problem. Yes, 420 also you can write. No problem. So it's a possible or not, sir? Yes. This statement is nothing but what, sir, here? This statement is nothing but variable reinitialization. Okay, now variable reinitialization. Okay, now you guys are able to understand what I am saying now here. This is nothing but reinitialization. Okay, next concept is there. That is nothing but declaration is there. Okay, what is meant by declaration here is available var here, right? So here directly we can declare is nothing but again here we can write var A is equal to again here we can write Maya. Okay, Maya. Now you guys are able to understand what I am saying now. So like that here in the var keyword declaration is possible, initialization is possible, utilization is possible, redeclaration is possible, reinitialization is also possible. This is the story about what's are here? Var keyword. This is the story about what here? Var keyword. Okay, right? Next one, try to understand. That is nothing but second one. What is the second one here? Let keyword. Okay, and now try to understand, sir, here. What about the let keyword, sir? Okay, in that let keyword, I want to declare the variable. How we can declare the variable? Let A. I have declared the variable. This is nothing but what? Tell me now. Variable declaration. Next, A is equal to 10 I am writing. This is nothing but what? Variable. Everyone open your mouth. Then only you get subject. Variable initialization, right? Next, after that, I want to utilize the variable. Then console dot log of. Now tell me, A. Now we'll get the value or not? Yes. This is nothing but what? Variable utilization, right? Next, after that, here again, I want to reinitialize the value. So A is equal to here I am providing something like SRS tech I am writing. Okay, SRS tech. So this is nothing but what here? Variable reinitialization, right? Next after that here, okay, reinitialization is completed. I want to do redeclaration. Okay, so how to do the redeclaration here again? Let A is equal to something, some name here I am trying to do that. Okay, this is nothing but what's are here? Redeclaration. But here the redeclaration is not possible in let keyword. Now you guys are able to understand, sir, here. Var keyword, tell me declaration possible, initialization possible, utilization possible, redeclaration possible, reinitialization also possible. What about letter? Declaration possible, initialization possible, utilization possible, Reinitialization possible, but redeclaration is not possible. Okay, this is the story about what's are here let keyword. Next, the third one, const keyword. Okay, now try to understand here, sir. What about this const keyword, sir? Is nothing but in that const keyword, I am trying to declare the variable. Let const, right? So for that here I am taking const a. This is nothing but what's are here variable declaration. Next, I want to initialize the value. A is equal to 10 I am writing. This is also not possible, boss. Why, sir? In that const, variable declaration and initialization should write in single line. Okay, directly here we have to write const a is equal to something, some data you can write, whatever you want you can write. Okay, in that case, first thing here, redeclaration, otherwise you can say reinitialization is not possible. Reinitialization is not possible. Next, redeclaration is not possible. Reinitialization not possible. Redeclaration not possible. And the thing is what here? Declaration and initialization should write in single line. Okay, now you guys are able to understand. Yes, utilization you can do that. Utilization is nothing but printing only now. So now you guys are able to understand what is the difference between let the var const. I will execute and I'll show you, don't worry. So before that here I'll give that one clarity for that. So try to understand. Important, ma, very very important. So that's why here I'm spending up this much of time here. Okay, now try to understand here. For example, now here I'm taking let var let const var let const, right? Okay, done. Now here I will go through that variable declaration initialization declaration declaration initialization done. Now try to understand, boss, what I am saying now here. First thing here, now here I am writing here var keyword I am writing. Okay, now here I am writing what here var keyword. Next after that here we have to write let keyword. Next after that here we have to write const keyword. Okay, then no problem. Next after that here I am writing first variable declaration. Okay, variable declaration. And next after that here what I want to mention now here variable initialization. Okay, variable initialization, right? Variable declaration. Okay, variable declaration, and here I am writing variable initialization, right? Done. Next after that here next after that here I am writing variable utilization. Okay, next after that here variable reinitialization. Okay, reinitialization. Next after that here variable redeclaration, right? Now here I am writing variable redeclaration. Okay, now you guys are able to understand, sir, what I am saying now here. Okay, respond my everyone, right? Now in this case, first tell me about var here. Var keyword declaration is possible or not, sir, here? Yes, the var keyword declaration is possible, right? So for that, yes, declaration is possible. Next, variable initialization var, yes, possible. Next, variable utilization, yes. Next after that variable reinitialization, yes. Next after that here variable redeclaration is also, yes. Next, what about let here declaration, yes. Next after that here variable initialization is also, yes. Utilization. Next after that reinitialization. Next, what about redeclaration, sir? No, it's not possible, right? So next, coming to that, tell me now here const. SS, the above fellows. Now here variable declaration and initialization. variable declaration and initialization should mention in a same line, right? Now you guys are able to understand what I am saying now. Very, very important question. What is the difference between let, var, const? Okay, what is the difference between let, var, const? Programmatically also I'll show you here. Try to understand. Okay, programmatically also I'll show you.